In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to pay with Affirm on Poshmark. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You don't need to do this process through the Affirm app as long as you go to checkout. When you add any Poshmark item to your cart, you will be able to select Affirm from the list of payment methods available. So first, browse through Poshmark and find the item that you want to pay with Affirm. As you can see under the price, you should be able to find this description here: for interest-free payments and more with Affirm. As long as you see this description under the item price, it means that you will be able to buy this item using Affirm. So tap Buy Now and follow the instructions on screen by filling out your shipping address and contact information. Once you are done filling out this information, on the secure checkout page, under the payment methods, you will be able to select Affirm. So tap Affirm, and once you tap Done, you will be immediately redirected to Affirm, where you can sign into your account and finish making and paying for your order on Poshmark. As you can see, you will have to input your mobile number to sign into your Affirm account. Unfortunately, I will not be able to demonstrate this full process because I don't have a Affirm account fully set up, but as long as you do and you input your phone number over here, you will be able to tap Continue at the bottom and finish making your order using Affirm. Like I said, you can do this process with any item that you see on Poshmark. All you have to do is open up the item description or summary page and find this description underneath the price. As long as you see this description, it means that you will find Affirm under the payment methods. Browse through any item available on Poshmark and sign into your Affirm account, and as long as you have valid and legitimate information and your purchase power allows it, you will be able to pay with Affirm and manage the payment plan that is best for you. I hope I was able to help you on how to pay with Affirm on Poshmark. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.